Ready? Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, we are happy to debate this important subject once more. As you know, the defense debate should necessarily concern all of us, and it should be based on a national consensus. It is not a one party business or a one man show. It concerns the entire nation, its security and liberty, as without a strong country, everything else has no meaning. Therefore, all valid viewpoints expressed must be taken into account in evolving such a policy. We have been warned about various threats as evident in this report of the Defense Ministry, and my only criticism, if at all I should say, is that a time has come when this nation expects that those threats and our counter postures to meet those threats must be spelled out more wisely. By this I mean that one who studies this report, unless one has access to various other documents available in abundance elsewhere, one cannot arrive at a position as to what exactly we are trying to do in order to meet the so-called threat, which I certainly assert there is. I think a time has come when the country should be taken into confidence, when the members of parliament should be taken into confidence as to what exactly we mean and what exactly we are going to do, and a slightly better understanding should be reflected by the Defense Ministry towards this point. I certainly do not wish that classified items are to be made available. They are certainly the prerogative of the administration to keep, but they should give us, at least in general terms, what we are expected to know. Nearly 50% of the last year's defense budget was spent on the rise in the costs of petroleum articles, oil, fuels, lubricants, and the rise in pay scales, pensions, and allowances, etc. Stop. Now outline. Taken into account TKNU Khap NU expressed on the line K double SD loop. Taken into confidence TK NU design FD NS cycle. Understanding N half cyclicity half NU ing.